Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the item appear bigger or even smaller than it originally tends to go. Like for the accessory adjustment, for instance, you want it to be bigger but it's already like gone through the limit. You can do this hack. So scale it up first. I'm also just going to use this C pattern here. Then I am going to put this down a little bit, and for instance I want this just to be a little bit bigger. This only works in free play though, because you have to save the outfit. I'll just name it adjustment for now. Then you're going to wear it again, and then you're going to select the item that you want to adjust, go back to scale and kind of make it smaller and then a little bit bigger. And as you can see, it's bigger than the accessory adjustment. This also works if you want it to make it super small. You do have to save it first, or else this won't work. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!